Miami, so popular. A new study. You know, I love my studies. Miami is the second most Instagrammable city.
Keep left onto Miami Avenue. At the light, use the left lane to turn right onto South Miami Avenue. Then turn left onto Southeast 4th Street. Then take a slight left turn. Take a slight left turn onto Southeast 1st Avenue. Stay in the middle.
Just let it burn. This talking about money, homie, I ain't concerned. I'm a plumber.
Don't break a window. Don't break a window.
Yes.
Stay in the second lane from right.
Want a $100 bill?
Pipe dope.
Yeah, so that's what I'm going with.